ChatGPT.
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 ChatGPT is one of the most well-known AI platforms in the AI industry. Welcome back to the Lit channel, where we're always learning interesting things. Today, we're setting up a day one ChatGPT account, so if you're ready to figure this out together, let's get started. All right, so here we are on our desktop, and we're going to start from day one and open up a ChatGPT account. So let's go ahead and do that now. So here we are. I'm going to go ahead and type in ChatGPT and go to their website. All right, so now we're here on ChatGPT's website. I'm going to go ahead and navigate over here where it says sign up for free, and I'm going to create an account. So I'll go ahead and do that right now. So I'm going to click sign up for free. And now you can see these are the different options to create an account. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my email address, and we'll go to the next step. All right, now as you can see, I've entered my email address, and now I'm going to go ahead and create a password. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so now that my password has at least 12 characters, I'm going to go ahead and click continue. All right, now as you can see, it says check your inbox. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my email and find the verification code. All right, so this is the email that I received from OpenAI ChatGPT. As you can see, they have the no reply email, your ChatGPT code is, so on and so forth. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter that code, and then we'll go to the next step. All right, so now as you can see, they're asking how old I am. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter all this information, and then right here, I will click finish creating account. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish creating my account, and let's see what it looks like. All right, so now you can see it has a couple questions. It says, what brings you to ChatGPT? You can choose school, work, personal tasks, all that. I'm gonna go ahead and click right here where it says skip. And now it says, what do you wanna do with ChatGPT? I'm gonna go ahead and skip this as well. You can go ahead and navigate through all these options, do what you need to do. But again, I'm just setting this up as a day one user for ChatGPT and setting up an account. All right, so now as you can see, there's another option here for getting started. And so it says ask away, don't share sensitive info, check your facts. So let's go ahead and get started with these options and see what it looks like. All right, so now as you can see, this is what the inside of ChatGPT looks like. In the top left corner here, we've got a little drop down. So what you can do is you can upgrade to ChatGPT Plus, or you can use ChatGPT for everyday tasks. We've got a section for new chats, for search chats, for projects, codecs, so on and so forth. If I click more here, you can do images, deep research, and apps. So again, this is just to set up the account. We're going to jump into functionalities later on in more videos, but I just wanted to show the actual step-by-step process for creating our ChatGPT account. All right, and one more thing that I wanted to show is if you log back into ChatGPT, I'm gonna go ahead and click here, this little shortcut. What you'll see is something will pop up right here and it says welcome back. And so it'll save all of the different logins you have, similar to how Gmail or any other platform does. And so if you click that account that you're wanting to use for ChatGPT, what you'll see is it does this. So now it's just saying check your inbox, and so that email that you used to log in, it'll send you a verification code. So if you go to your email, you'll have that code and put it in, so I'll go ahead and do that real quick. All right, now you'll see we are back in our ChatGPT account. We've got all the same settings that we looked at earlier, and you can see if you look in the bottom left corner, you will be logged in with whatever your account is. AI is a topic that's been all over the news and social media for some time now. Some people are afraid of AI, and others are jumping in and getting their hands dirty to learn all about its capabilities. Either way, it appears that AI is here to stay for the foreseeable future. I'm not an AI expert, and I do not claim to be an AI guru. I'm just a dude in his late 30s that's trying to navigate AI and figure everything out alongside you while helping other beginners that may feel overwhelmed with the thought of using AI. So stay tuned for more similar videos in the future, and please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel.